Congratulations. You signed up for this 30-day yoga challenge. You're the type of person who takes your health and your wellness serious. I put together this course that's going to help take your 30 days to a whole nother level. So before you even get to the 30-day challenge, I want you to learn some fundamental things. First, whenever we get to our yoga practice, the focus is always on the breath. And we're going to breathe in through the nose and out of the nose to help our mind relax, calm down, and focus. Second, we're going to use the whole body. I'm talking about the whole body. Yep. We're going to stretch all the way from our toes to the top of our head and our fingertips. And when we do that, we want to be mindful of our body. So if you make a move and it's a little painful, if you make a move and it feels like your breath is short and your body's going to ask you to stop, go ahead and stop. It's about safety first. We're going to make it through this 30 days and you're going to be better, not more injured. So whenever you feel like your body's saying stop, stop. Relax, release. This is yoga. Take it easy. And the third is about being in a state of mindfulness. I want you to think about it right now. Is your heart going? Is your breath going? Is your blood flowing? These are all things that happen automatically. But when we are in our yoga practice, I want you to think about where you place your hands, where you place your shoulders, where you place your feet, and then let it go. That's all a part of being mindful and in the present moment. And we do that by combining that breath with the movement, with the focus to help change and transform your day. It's going to take this 30-day challenge to help you step into renewal. But even more, we have this course for you that's going to take your life and renew it. So go ahead and click the link below to learn how you can get your yoga and meditation beginner's course right now. Today is for you. It's going to have tons of tips and tools to get your yoga and your meditation practice started. And when you combine that with the 30-day challenge, you will have a life transformed to help you go from yelling to yoga. All right, let's get yourself some renewal. Go ahead and click the link below to find out how you can get this amazing course, the beginning yoga and meditation course for you. All right, let's go. This James Woods, aka that yoga dude, would feel free and welcome to day 11, our evening routine. All right, I am big on my bedtime and I'm big on bringing it down. After a long day, it's important to unwind, relax, chill, de-stress, whatever, but still do it in a way where you can turn off and not just tune into whatever else is out there. So we're going to go through some yoga postures, poses, moves, breath work to help us dive into our evening routine so we can come out so fresh and so clean. A good night's sleep and a restful evening is a powerful, powerful practice. So we're going to start by getting the day off of us. All right, we're going to get the day off of us. We're going to take our shoulders. We're going to just roll them up, like bring them up, squeeze at the top, and then exhale, roll the shoulders back and down. All you can do is sitting or on the mat. I'm doing this standing because I'm still bringing myself down. I'm not ready to come down all the way. In this practice, keep rolling those shoulders, moving the head. But I'm getting there. Ooh. Couple more times, shoulders rolling, moving the head back and forth. Moving the neck, feeling any tightness and tension there from being on the road, from standing up, from sitting down, dealing with people. Oh, all right, moving the right shoulder forward and then the left shoulder forward, alternating, bringing the shoulders forward. Yeah, just massaging the stress out of your day. The tightness and tension out of your shoulders. Nice. And then we're going to start to sway the body, the hips, let them loosen up. I got my socks on right now because it's getting sleepy wet. I'm breaking out the socks a little later, but keep the toes warm until I'm ready to warm up. I'm just sliding left to right, up and down my lateral, releasing tension in that sciatic nerve, and then the lower back, and then the hips by going to side to side. Good. We're still staying calm, relax, but just do a little bit of stimulation so we come up and then cool down. Good. feet about hip distance apart. Go ahead and lift your toes. Lift your toes, lift your toes, lift your toes, drop your heels. And we're going to inhale, bring both hands up. And as we exhale, knees fold. Knees bend, we're going to fold forward. Oh, ooh, and let that day go. Let the day go. Like San Diego. Rocking back and forth. On the back, it's taking the whole day. All the gravity compression. You want to just decompress that spine and stretch out the back. Pull that spine out into the gravity, pressing it down. And don't forget to breathe here. Good. We're going to take about 5 more breaths. Slowly rocking back and forth. Finding any tightness and stiffness. Really getting into that. Good. My arms are crossed at my elbows and add a little extra stretch. Bend your knees back and forth, left and right. Then relax the hands. You're going to slowly roll up. Bend those knees and roll up and out. Good. Bring the shoulders up, squeeze at the top. Exhale, roll back and down. Ooh. Roll that head left and right. Back and forth gently. Ooh. Good. Release the tension out of the day. Bring the hands wide. Breathe in and then up. Exhale, bring the hands down. Let's do that 2 more times. Wide. Feel that stretch. Any tightness, tension out the day. Exhale, come down. Wide. Up. And down. Good. Lift off the left heel, lift off the right. Taking it slow. We're moving into the evening gracefully. Good. I'm going to bring my toes, flare them out, my heels in, a little bit wider on my hips. And we are going to drop the whole body into the evening. I want to bend my knees flare out. Keep my back tall, dropping down, and the hips coming down. Oh, all right, you feel it right here. Feel that burn, that stimulation just a little bit. And we're going to keep going and going and going until your body says, that's enough. We're going to drop down here into this yoga squat. A mega stretch, a mega tension releaser for you to go to bed into your evening, releasing that day. Good. If the heels are up, cool. If your butt's up higher, whatever, cool. I just want to help the hips, the knees, the legs just relax and rock back and forth. Good. Keep my chest up, relaxing shoulders. We won't stay here too long. Inhale, breathe in, breathe out. Good. And then slowly coming on down. I want you to make your way down to the mat however you can. You drop a knee down. Ooh. Come down, straight to your butt, bring your hands down, whatever. Right. Now we're going to come into our easy pose. You remember the easy pose, crisscross. Good. And wherever you are, whether it's stacked or across in front of each other, I want you to walk those hands out in front of you. And get along. Pull the back away from the hips. And enjoy this deep breath here. Drop the head. Slowly bringing down the stimulation from the day. We're not just going from 100 to 0. We're tapering down the stimulation and bringing attention with it. Walk your hands out. Relax your shoulders. Drop your chin down to your chest. Relax the head. Let the chest be heavy and sink in. You want to feel the lower back. Just relax. Feel those hips. You can sway side to side into the lateral body. Good. Breathe deep as you do so. Inhale slowly. Walking the hands up. Oh, sit up nice and tall. Breathe in. And breathe out. Nice. From here. Come back and sit back. I'm all ready right now. Getting ready for the evening. Didn't realize how much gray I had on. I'm going to bring the soles of my feet together. And just come to this butterfly. Move from back where your legs are. Just rock side to side. And just release. And even letting the pressure from the rolls into the hips move out any soreness and tightness. Anybody sore from the previous days? How y'all feeling after those 10 days? Go ahead and drop that in the chat. Let me know. Anything's come up for you. Good. All right. Now we're going to fold forward over these butterfly here. I'm going to grab the top of my toes. And I'm pulling my chest towards the top of my toes. Feel that stretch in the groin and the back. I'm trying to pull my head out. My shoulders pull them back. Stretch out like a turtle. Breathe in. If you want to, you can bring the head start. After that extension, start bringing the head down and towards the toes. Oh, good, good, good. Breathe in, breathe out. And then slowly come on back. Rolling up. Good. Just big body, a full body stretch. I want you to bring your legs out wide, whatever that is. We get into the big muscles in the legs, and we just tell them everything is time to relax. We open you up after tightening intensity you up throughout the day. This is a great routine to have at night to bring it down and let the body get ready for the next day. Sitting up nice and tall. I want to curl my toes back. You see how my toes are coming back toward my face? Good. I think it's time for the socks to come on off. Let's see. I'll start with just one sock. On off like that. Good. Curl those toes toward my face. Already feel a stretch here. Even sitting up like this is a lot. If you need to, you can bring a bolster or a block to your back to have that support. Ugh. Something right there to give you that support if you need it. You can use your hands on the ground, hands on your legs. Want to sit up nice and tall. Relax the shoulders. This is just already a deep stretch. Bring the legs as wide as you can get them. Whew. Good, good, good. And then we're just going to slowly bring it over to the left leg by stretching towards the left leg, going wherever you can. And once again, the foot is stretching, the hamstring, the calf muscles. I'm inhale coming up. I'm going to twist. See how my trunk twists towards the foot? And then try to lay it down. Good. Inhale coming up. And then if you can't get your head down there, whatever, just bring your arms, whatever, so you can feel that stretch in the left leg. You feel that back and leg opening up. Good. Inhale coming up. And turn over to the right. Turn the torso. Both my shoulders facing my toes. Good. Whatever you can do is perfect for you. Good. Stretch here. Yeah, we're going to hold it. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Breathe. Right. Body is feeling good and stretched here. Now we're going to take it down another level. And then to our backs. Breathe. Grab my back, my legs. I'm going to bring the feet straight up. All the blood is rushing back towards my heart, helping you slow it down and relax it. Hands behind my legs if I want to, or keep them straight up. Or once again, you can put the feet on the wall. Scoot your butt as close to that wall as you can, and let the feet and legs relax on the wall, and you might fall asleep. Maybe. Breathing in and out. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bend the knees and give yourself a hug. Bring those knees to the chest. There's somewhere in the vicinity. Ooh. Bring those knees in. Let your belly relax, let your spine decompress, your tailbone and your hips open up here. Breathe in. And relax and breathe out. Let the legs go. Good. Easy the legs spread out and relax. You can bring the soles of the feet together. You position laying down. Whatever works for you. Drop the arms to the side. We'll bring it all the way down here. Pretend. Breathing it out. 9, just lay there, relax from the shoulders, the feet, the legs. 8, relax the belly, the chest. 7, the hips, the knees. 6, let the heart slow down. 5, breathe. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your hands to your belly. Just check in with your natural breath. So you're about to lay it down for your evening. Let me know if this works for your evening. Let me get a comment from you, or if you have any more questions, anything like that, always please hit me up. Woo, thank you so much for sharing your evening with me. I hope you get some beautiful rest. You can stay there. I'll come up and salute you. As always, feel free. And namaste. Thank you so much. Peace.